It's shiny, it's pretty, and now investors are fleeing to it. That's right, it's gold. So as of Monday, futures were up 5% for gold, Deb, and gold was in the 900s. Now it's about 886.
Right.
What do investors need to know? How do you invest in gold right now?
Right. Well, there's really very many ways that people can get into gold, and we're talking just your average investor. We're not talking, you know, the big giant gold investors. And one of the ways is physical gold, like you just showed your watch. You can buy jewelry. Now the problem with jewelry is that you're buying into a design element, and you tend to not get your money back when you put your money into jewelry. You can also get gold bars and gold coins. So you can actually purchase a block of gold, but what you have to worry about on the gold bars.
Very heavy. I had picked one up before.
and where do you store them? Some banks won't even let you put a gold bar in a safety deposit box, so you have to look into that first. You can also get gold coins, and a lot of people like gold coins because it's, again, you can sell it on the market. Now you have to be careful on the gold coins that you buy, the ones that are, you know, for bullion, not numismatic, which get into the dates the coin was printed and has collectible value, so that kind of goes into a different area. Now another thing is mints. You have companies like the Perth Mint, which is out of Australia, where you can get a certificate for the actual physical gold that they're holding for you. So that way you can kind of get the gold, the real physical gold, but you're not holding on to it and worrying about storage or putting coins in a shoebox under your bed and making sure nobody steals it. You can also get into mining stocks, so that's a big favorite. A lot of people like to buy mining stocks. They're heavily searched on our website. But the thing with
Eagle Mines was the one on our site yesterday.
Yeah. And the problem with that, though, is that you're buying into how well this company is run. So yeah, gold may be up, but they may have run the company into the ground.
No pun intended.
No pun intended. Now another thing is commodity funds. You can get some exposure that way, but that's really a play on commodities in general. It's not a pure gold play, but it is another way to get into it. You know, another area is gold ETFs. Now that's a lot more pure. It's very easy to purchase. It's easy to get in and out, and you're still getting that exposure to the gold market without having to worry about the storage, you know, the physical delivery. Now it's not as much fun as actually holding that shiny gold item in your hand, but you're still getting gold in your portfolio.
What about companies that have exposure to gold but just a little bit, like a Freeport?
Yeah, you know, Freeport, what that introduces into your portfolio is also copper. So now you're kind of, again, you're kind of opening it up into different metals. And so, whereas right now copper has really been deflated, silver has really been pushed way down too, you're making a bet on something other than just gold. Okay,
number one pick of how to invest in gold right now.
I would say ETFs.
There it is. You might want to hold the gold, but look at ETFs if you want to find a safe haven for investing.